Oh look, more Lego. Today everybody we are going to be unboxing this new Lego box. This set is number 42083, the Bugatti Chiron LEGO Technic thing. Let's get into this box. How should I... oh, okay. There it is, my friends, the LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron. I really had to make room for this. It's a really big box. I want to get in. So I'm gonna... You don't cut this, do you? Do you? Oh, there's tape down there. Did I even get it? No. This is so awkward. You try opening... Sorry. My finger accidentally pressed home. Right, this isn't working out. I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh yes, and I forgot. Here's a look at some of the other angles. So this is the back, which shows you different parts of the car. And there's the back of the car. So this wheel picture here is actually on 1:1 scale. So this is how big the wheels actually are. Which is like epic. I don't have any other angles to go from, so I'm going to hold it. I can't sit it down, so this is really hard. You try opening something while holding a camera at the same time. Yes. Ah, almost done. Oh my god. Wow. So here we have the rims, which are awesome. Here are all the boxes, which are neatly arranged. So it looks like this. This looks like it's a book. Ooh, book 1. So there's like pictures of the car in this book, and facts about the actual Lego thing. This is the most sophisticated Lego Technic engine ever built. Interesting. Oh, and here are all of the instructions, which look seriously hard. Here we have all of the stickers for the car. So there's like some of the inside detail, the bit that goes on the back, all sorts there. And these are just like all boxes. Let's take one out and take a look. Ooh. Looks like there's something on the back as well. I'll show you that in a moment. Just give me a second to figure out what I'm doing with these boxes. Thanks. Okay, so I kind of know what I'm doing. So like on each box there's a number here. So this is box number 5. Which one's number 1? Oh, that one's number 1. There's another book down there. I'll show you that in a second. I'll just get all the boxes out right now. Goodbye. Okay, so another cool thing I found out is that if you turn the box backwards and rearrange it a bit, look, a picture of the back as well. Whoa. So this is the second book, I think, and this is more 577. What? How many steps does this go up to? Look, so there's like 970 steps. So let's just open a box and get started, okay? Right. finally, after 6+ minutes in time-lapse time, I have completed my Bugatti Chiron. Let's take a look at the finished product. This car features detailed rims with the Bugatti emblem and brake discs, if you see down there, the little blue Bugatti brake discs. Detailed interior with stickers here which show how fast you're going, etc. A steering wheel that actually works. A W16 engine with pistons that actually move when you roll the car. Somehow I screwed it up so my pistons don't actually move, but you know, it's quite sad. Wait, a working paddle shift. Oh, I broke something. And detailed seats with the Chiron sticker on the headrest. Even the doors have detailed stickers on them. That's how awesome this set is. If we open up the hood here, we'll see that number 1, you get your very own special unique serial number, which is like one of a kind, I'm pretty sure. It's just made up of random letters and numbers. It doesn't really matter what you have, but it's just a cool, unique thing to set your Bugatti apart from everyone else's. And you'll also find a little storage compartment with your very own overnight bag, which is pretty cool. It even has a zip sticker, which I think is actually quite awesome. And it just sort of slots in here. On the front you'll notice Bugatti's signature horseshoe grille with the Bugatti logo there, along with these headlights that sort of go diagonally. They've also used these piping pieces to mimic the lines on the actual car. They've done this in quite a few areas, as you can see, which actually looks quite cool. There's very nice detail. But the back of the car is probably the best looking part. So here you have the Chiron writing down here, along with the Bugatti symbol up above the brake lights, which go all the way across the car. The car also comes with this. This is called a speed key, and what you do is you unfold it like this. You insert it into this rear wheel, behind the rear wheel here. Twist it and the spoiler comes up. You can use the key to put it back down again, but this key is actually made out of proper LEGO pieces, so you actually build this at the very end of the instructions. But if you happen to lose your key or misplace your key or can't be bothered to use your key, you can push it down and push it up again. It really doesn't really, you don't need the speed key, but it's just an accessory. But that's not all. If you look closely at the car, you'll notice if I push it down, yes, the car has suspension, which is actually really cool. So the suspension actually comes from these yellow pieces here behind, which is like connected to the wheel, and when you push it down, these springs on this part actually push it back up again, which is pretty awesome. This car is 56 centimeters long, 32 centimeters wide, and 14 centimeters high. For those of you who are fanbots like myself, yes, you can fit a stickbot inside. If anything, it's actually bigger than the stickbot because the car is like massive in comparison to him. Like, he's about the size of the wheel of the car, so if anything, it's too big. But you know, it's stickbots, so everything in cartoon culture is like oversized, so it doesn't matter. And while I was editing, I realised I forgot rather an important point about the Chiron, and that is that if you happen to misplace any of the pieces in the car, or put it in the wrong way round or upside down, it may end up with having absolutely devastating consequences on the finishing product. As you can see here, I've put in a piece wrong, and my wheels rotate the opposite direction, so when I rotate this wheel, it goes forwards, but the opposite wheel on the other side goes the other way round. So I had to take this all apart, and as you can see, I was on like 750 stages in. I had to go all the way back to the early 100s and fix my mistake. I made the 2 different mistakes that resulted in me having to take the whole thing apart and do it again, and it's not fun. I can tell you that. So just take your time, is what I'm saying. So yeah, bye. That's all for today's video. Please be sure to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Leave a comment whether or not you want to buy this thing. It costs like £250 on like Smith Toys and Amazon, but like on the LEGO store it's like £325, which is expensive. If you're new to the channel, welcome, subscribe, because we've got like 40 subs now. I want to get to 50 by Christmas, because that's a decent goal, I guess. Watch some of my other videos. Go to my gaming channel, Stickbot Plays, if you want to watch some Minecraft and Roblox content. And I'll see you in another video.